Things you didn't know about Emirates Airlines. Yalla, habibi, yalla! If you are a first class or business class passenger, you get a chauffeur-driven car included in your ticket. That's right, they will pick you up. They will drop you off at the airport to wherever you need to go. On the A380 aircraft, business and first class passengers can enjoy a bar and lounge on the plane. Yeah. Nobody wants the COVID. All of Emirates Airlines aircrafts are fitted with HEPA air filtration systems, removing 99.97% of all viruses in the air. Have you ever seen a shower on a plane? This is just for first class. I mean, I just asked nicely to take a photo in it. But if you can afford first class, it's pretty cool. Already know that Emirates cabin crew is the best, right? But did you know that Emirates has a part of their team over 160 nationalities? Emirates crew are actually hired from all around the world, and then they become residents of the UAE. Expo 2020 is happening right now in Dubai until March 31st, 2022. So if you're flying through Dubai with Emirates during this time, well, guess what? You get a free day pass to go see the expo. What is the greatest asset of a flight attendant? Our smile. But did you know I actually used to greet passengers like this? That's because my teeth used to look like this. I knew people were making fun of me, and it really brought down my self-esteem until I decided to get Invisalign. Most people don't even notice I have them on. When I eat or brush my teeth, I do this. Invisalign completely changed my life, so talk to your doctor. 야! 너 안 일어나고 뭐 하고 있어? 야, 일어나! You have a job today. Wake up. 일어나! Okay. 어떡하지? Welcome to Tim Hortons. Hello. One coffee. 아니지. 잠깐만. Latte. You have a latte? Yes, we actually have our new handcrafted espresso beverages. Americano? No. Cappuccino. Yes, we have all of them. Sorry, my daughter like espresso drink, but I don't remember which one. Well, from now until November 28, our Americanos, cappuccinos, and lattes are all just $2 any size, so just get all of them. Very good. I take large size everything. Here you go. Thank you very much. Junia. Americano, latte, cappuccino. Okay, cappuccino. Wow, looks good. Oh, that's good. I'm from a meeting. I'm so excited to be working together. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. Told you, Mom, I always make it. Good afternoon, sir. We're starting our meal service now. Would you care for something to drink? Get me another server. Is there a problem, sir? I refuse to be served by an Asian. I'm sorry. I'm actually in charge of this section, so it will be me serving you, sir. You can stop talking to me now because I don't understand Asian, so just get me your supervisor. Certainly, sir. Hello, you requested to speak to me? This server can't even speak English, and I need someone that can understand me, so can you just send me someone else? Sir, all of our crew speak English, and you are sitting in her section, so you will be served by her. I don't want an Asian serving me, all right? I don't know if anyone has ever told you this, sir, but you're Asian. What does that matter? Okay, well, your request is denied. My colleague over here will continue to serve you because this indeed is her section. If you have a problem with that, I can tell the captain to turn the plane around so we can offload you. You will further be blacklisted off this airline, so what would you like to do? Fine, I just won't eat or drink anything then. Sir, would you like chicken or beef for your meal? Still at it? All right, okay. Sir, would you like a snack or a drink? Are you sure? Because this flight is 16 hours, and if you don't... Okay. Sir, we're serving dinner now. Are you sure you don't want anything? Okay, please, at least have some water. You're looking a little bit... okay. You know what? I give up. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed your flight. Have a nice day. Hey, where's that mean guy? I didn't see him leave yet. Oh yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen him. Sir? Whoop. Please enjoy real clips of passengers that refuse to wear a mask on the plane.
You need to have a mask on. You need to have the paper mask that they provided. It has ma'am. I'm speaking to you, ma'am. Ma'am. I'm speaking to you. You have to wear your mask the whole entire flight. If you're unable to do so, you will be removed from the flight.
A woman refused to wear her mask on a flight and yelled at everyone on board. Take a listen. If we don't stand up, it's only going to get worse. So this was on an American Airlines flight to Washington, D.C. Now, she did calm down and was escorted by police.
Also tonight, new video of a fight aboard a Valley flight. An Allegiant passenger refusing to wear his mask, leading to this scuffle.
Ma'am, I need to inspect your luggage. No problem. Okay. Let's see. I mean, if you just want to tell me what you're looking for, I can help you find. Please don't touch anything. Sorry. Do you have an electric toothbrush anywhere? No. An electric shaver, perhaps? No. Maybe a microphone? No. Immersion blender? I don't even know what that is. Or maybe a remote control car, but instead of a car, it's an eggplant? Huh? Do you have any battery operated device? Oh, yeah, if you open up that little pouch, I have my vibrator. Ma'am, that is illegal in our country. Excuse me, what? Please go see that officer over there. Am I going to jail? Did you see that viral clip on the news where that guy got duct taped to his chair on his flight?
This happened on Frontier Airlines.
Yes, I saw. That was such an unfortunate event. I know, right? Poor passenger. I know! Poor... What? Yeah, they treated him like an animal. Taping him to his chair, taping his mouth so he can't talk. My God, brutal. You do realize that he sexually assaulted and punched the flight attendants and was a threat to other passengers, right? Oh, seriously? This world is so sensitive nowadays? Like, he was just drunk. These things can happen. So what you're saying right now is that if you're drunk, you get a free pass for this sort of violent behavior? Yeah, absolutely. Oh, okay. Merry Christmas, everyone! I know it sucks we're like working today, but I think we can still have some fun. How about we play Secret Santa with things we find on the plane? Yeah, let's do it! Okay, pick a name. We'll meet back in 30 minutes. I got you, Heather. Leftover first class chocolates. Merry Christmas. Oh, thanks. I got you too. No way! How fun! I thought you meant buy something from the duty-free cart, so I got you skincare. Holy crap! These are so expensive! Thanks! My turn! Merry Christmas, Lindsay! Bish, I love you. You know me so well. Are those from our bar cart? Because if you get caught with those when we land, you're gonna get fired. That's why I get rid of the evidence. And here's your gift. Ooh. Seat 7A.
Can I help you?
Are you with anybody?
No, I'm alone.
Meet me in the toilet. And that's how I met your father. Tales from the skies. Let's go. Which country are we flying over right now? Ma'am, we're going from LA to New York. Yeah, I know. The cities are both in the United States. So we're flying over the United States. Oh.